This How to 1 Minute will show you how to customize the background color of WordPress block editor. As you can see right now, I'm in WordPress block editor, and by default the block editor background color is white color. Now let's customize this block editor background color. In order to customize block editor background color, we need to install and activate a plugin. To do that, come to this plugin section and click on add new plugin. Click on search plugins box and type here WP code and search for it. And this is the plugin we are going to use. So install and activate this WP code plugin. Once the plugin activated, to this left hand menu, here you will get code snippets. So hover over on it and click on add snippet. And here you have to click on add your custom code new snippet. To find out it, you can use this search box and type here add your custom code to get this. Now click on use snippet. And here code type, click on this drop down and select PHP snippet. And in this video description below, you will get this code. Copy and paste this code here, and this is the background color. Here you can easily use your own color. Just enter the color code and now click on active. Make sure to enable it and scroll down. Insert method, I'm selecting here auto insert. Location, I'm selecting admin only. And now click on save snippet. Once done, now I'm going to reloading my WordPress block editor page. And as you can see, my block editor background color has been changed. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.